I discovered FDM printing when I was in university. Thought it would be the solution to all the crazy ideas in my head, to have finally something to put those into the real world and test those. Instead of creating amazing stuff, I was mostly fidgeting around with the machine and trying to fix the issues.
5 years ago, when I first met Martijn, we were both into 3D printing, and basically from there on we progressed. It became more professional, it became faster, it became better, and until a point where there were people actually coming to us and looking at a product like, you are printing so amazingly, how can I actually do that myself?
Why not make a company around this? We love doing this, and we think we could improve the ease of use, quality and performance of the FDM printing space.
Bringing it to all those other people who have these crazy ideas and want to turn them into reality, and currently walking against problems they have with their current 3D printers, solve them getting their products or ideas actually out into the world.
So that's why we started Veda 3D printing.
The Veda team is made up of individuals who come from different sectors, but we're all related to 3D printing. Whether it be electronics, engineering, sales of 3D printers, repairs of printers, even print services, we all came to the same conclusion that we needed something better that wasn't available on the market yet. It's not only going to be good for people who want to print for people, but also for a large company who needs to do more rapid prototyping in a more efficient manner as well.
It's like building a car, for the F1 Grand Prix. You've got different problems than the average car that's driving on your city streets. We've been seeing and learning from those problems and tackling them, and as a result, our reliability has improved beyond what we had when we first started out.
We at Veda want to take 3D printing where it actually excels. Not only just the remote areas, but actually the most remote area we know.
It's up there. It's in space. Our 3D printing technology, FDM 2.0, performs better in space. Space is where humanity will rise to the challenge. Space is where we print the future.